Look, we all know this feeling all too well. You start your day with a clear plan, a hot cup of coffee, and a real sense of purpose. You're finally ready to tackle that one big project. But then, inevitably, it starts. First, the emails trickle in, then they begin to flood. So, what exactly is this AI solution I'm talking about? Forget the complicated jargon and the super intelligent computers from the movies. Think of AI tools as efficient, specialized assistants. They don't get tired, they don't get bored. They execute clear, rule-based jobs with speed and accuracy. The magic is simple, natural language. No coding required. Write a friendly email to my team about the new deadline. Summarize this long article into 5 bullet points. Organize my tasks for this afternoon. Your intent becomes action with minimal friction. Let's put these helpers to work today. Let's tackle what is, for many of us, the single biggest time sink in the modern workday: the email inbox. It's more than just a communication tool. It's a relentless stream of demands on our attention. Think about it. The average professional receives over 120 emails a day. That's one new interruption every 4 minutes of an 8-hour day. Requests, updates, urgent notifications, newsletters, and endless CC threads. It's a non-stop digital deluge. Each one pulls you away from deep, focused work, forcing a context switch that drains your mental energy and fragments your concentration. The real cost isn't just the time spent reading, but the time it takes to get back on track. And then there's the writing. We spend hours drafting replies, carefully clarifying complex points, and agonizing over striking just the right tone. Is this too direct? Is that friendly enough? Am I being clear without sounding demanding? This mental calculus for every single message is exhausting. This is where an AI scribe becomes your secret weapon, your personal communications assistant. It's not about automating your relationships or losing your voice. It's about reclaiming your time and mental energy from the repetitive, formulaic parts of email communication. Imagine being able to draft well-structured emails, fine-tune your messages for clarity and impact, and fix tricky grammar mistakes, all in a matter of seconds, not minutes. That's the power we're talking about. And the best part? Getting started is incredibly simple. There's no complex software to learn, no lengthy course required. The entire interaction is based on a concept you already know: giving clear instructions. You just give it a one-sentence instruction, what we call a prompt. Think of it as delegating the task to an assistant. You provide the core message, and the AI handles the composition. For example, instead of typing out a full follow-up, your prompt could be as simple as, "Thank her for the call, suggest Tuesday to reconnect." The AI will instantly generate a polished email incorporating that request. Here's a classic scenario. You're deep in a project, and an email from your boss pops up asking for a status update. The old way involved stopping everything, opening the email, and spending 10 minutes crafting a careful reply. Instead of breaking your flow, you simply prompt your scribe. You don't even have to switch windows. Your prompt could be, "Tell my boss the project is on track, the first draft will be ready by Friday afternoon, and I'm just waiting on the data from the sales team." You can specify the tone. Professional, brief. The AI synthesizes this into a perfectly worded update. Now you just scan the draft to ensure it's accurate, maybe add a quick friendly touch to make it your own, and hit send. What used to take 10 minutes of fractured concentration is now done in less than 1. That's 9 minutes of focused, high-value time given back to you, multiplied across every similar email you send. Here's a power tip. Be very specific about the tone you want to convey. Don't just think it, tell the AI. Instead of just writing the facts, add a word like persuasive, empathetic, or concise to your prompt. That one word changes everything. It guides the AI's word choice, sentence structure, and overall feel, saving you the effort of manually tweaking the language to get it just right. Remember, AI is a collaborator, not a replacement. Always treat the output as a first draft. Your job is to be the final editor, to verify the facts, and to inject your unique personality. Never blindly copy and paste, especially with sensitive information. Your expertise and final approval are what make the communication authentic and reliable. So, start using AI for what it's best at: generating solid first drafts, conquering the intimidating blank page, and handling the repetitive tasks that clog your inbox. This frees you up to focus on the work that truly needs your strategic mind, your creativity, and your human touch. You've reclaimed precious time from your inbox, and that feeling of control is fantastic. But what happens next? For many of us, we turn from a clean inbox to face an even more daunting challenge: the endless, sprawling to-do list. It's a wall of text that stares back, offering no guidance, no strategy, just a long list of obligations. This is where the real battle for productivity is won or lost. The traditional to-do list is fundamentally broken for the modern workday. Static lists don't prioritize, they don't understand context, and they certainly don't help you plan your actual time. They treat a 5-minute task like confirm lunch meeting with the same weight as a 3-hour project like finalize quarterly report. This lack of intelligence forces you to constantly make decisions, leading to decision fatigue before you've even started the real work. This is where AI planners change the game entirely. Instead of just holding your tasks, they act as your personal strategist. They analyze, group, prioritize, and even time block your entire day for you. Let's walk through it. You start by simply dumping all your tasks into the app. No need to organize them yourself. Include everything from major projects to minor errands. Think of it as a brain dump. First, pick a modern task app with AI built right in. Many of the top platforms now include this feature. Once your tasks are in, you don't have to manually drag and drop them into a calendar. You look for the magic button. It might be called Auto Plan, Schedule My Day, or something similar. Now, you give the AI some simple instructions in plain English. You can say, "Plan my day, but make sure the project proposal is my top priority." Or, "I need at least 2 hours of uninterrupted time this morning." You provide the context that a static list could never have. Then you simply ask the assistant to organize your day. In seconds, the AI gets to work. It intelligently builds focus blocks for your deep work, like writing that proposal. It also identifies smaller, similar tasks, like answering emails, making calls, or processing invoices, and batches them together into a single, efficient admin block. This is a core principle of productivity, automated for you. The output is a clear, actionable schedule. Now for the crucial step: commit to it. Put that dedicated focus time on your shared calendar so colleagues know you're unavailable. This signals to others and to yourself that this time is non-negotiable. And when that block starts, protect that time fiercely. Silence your phone, turn off desktop notifications, and close unnecessary tabs. The AI has given you the gift of a perfect plan. It's your job to create the environment where you can execute it. Suddenly, your jumble of anxieties becomes an actionable plan. The mental energy you once spent wondering what to do next is now channeled directly into doing the work that matters. Trust the plan the AI has created. It's your roadmap. When you have a clear path, your focus will naturally follow. You're no longer reacting, you're executing with intention. AI planners build a smarter, more intentional workflow, one block at a time. They don't just manage your tasks, they manage your time and your attention, which are your most valuable resources. The result is less stress and more tangible progress. You end your day not with a sense of exhaustion from juggling priorities, but with a sense of accomplishment from completing meaningful work. This intelligent structure is what saves the day from chaos. And because the system can plan ahead, tomorrow looks clearer too. You're finally working ahead, not just catching up. The final frontier of time wasting, the one that quietly steals hours from our day, is information overload. It's that constant, overwhelming feeling of being behind, drowning in a sea of unread emails, lengthy reports, and an endless stream of articles all demanding our attention. We're flooded with text, and the simple truth is, we can't read it all. Trying to keep up feels like a losing battle, leaving us stressed and, paradoxically, less informed, because we skim everything and absorb nothing. But what if you could conquer this flood? What if you could extract the signal from the noise instantly? This is where AI summarizers come in. These powerful tools act as your personal research assistant, reading vast amounts of text and distilling the absolute essentials in seconds. They don't just shorten the text. They analyze it, understand the context, and pull out the core arguments, data, and conclusions. Imagine turning a dense 20-page report into a handful of key points. The technology is designed to be incredibly intuitive. Many of the best tools are free and remarkably easy to start using today. Let's walk through a real-world scenario. You have a critical strategy meeting in an hour, and a 30-page market analysis just landed in your inbox. Instead of panicking, you open your AI summarizer. You upload the document and type a simple, clear prompt. The AI gets to work. On the left, the dense wall of text. On the right, in real time, concise, actionable insights begin to appear. The market size, the key competitors' weaknesses, the top customer trends, all laid out for you. In less time than it takes to brew a cup of tea, you've grasped the entire report's strategic value. You walk into that meeting not just present, but prepared, ready to contribute with confidence and clarity. This isn't just about saving time, it's about elevating the quality of your work. The applications are universal. For a manager, it means quickly getting the gist of team updates and industry news to make faster, better informed decisions. For a freelancer, it's about rapidly analyzing client briefs and research to deliver projects ahead of schedule. For a student, it's a game changer for digesting dense academic papers and textbooks. However, to use these tools effectively, it's important to be smart. A common pitfall is over-reliance without verification. Always treat the summary as a starting point, not the final word, especially for critical decisions. And be mindful of privacy. Never paste sensitive or confidential information into a public AI tool. Use trusted platforms and always redact personal data first. Ready to level up? Here are a few power tips. First, get specific with your prompts. Instead of just summarize, ask the AI to summarize this for a non-technical audience or extract the 3 main counter-arguments. Second, create a library of your favorite prompts to save time. Finally, use summaries to triage your reading. Let the summary tell you if a document is worth your full attention. If the bullets cover what you need, you've just saved yourself an hour. You can move on, confident you have the core information. And if the summary highlights something critical or complex, now you know exactly where to focus. You can invest your time with intent, reading the full document not out of obligation, but because you know it's essential for driving a key decision. By integrating AI summarizers into your workflow, you shift from being reactive to proactive. You're no longer just managing information, you're mastering it. The noise drops, your focus sharpens, and clarity rises, giving you back the time and mental space to do what truly matters. The real power comes from weaving these tools together, not separate gadgets, a team working in concert. Each hands off to the next, saving time and mental energy. Small wins compound into a major efficiency shift. Condense a long report into key takeaways. Prompt a clear email to your team. Then schedule a 30-minute brainstorm. The planner books it automatically. Summarizing, drafting, scheduling. You stay strategic. You direct, assistants execute. More time for leadership, creativity, and strategy. These tools are helpers. You're still the decision maker. Always review outputs. Treat them as first drafts. Don't paste sensitive data into public tools. Use trusted apps. Be transparent when it matters. Honesty builds trust. Start small. Scribe, Planner, or Summarizer. Try one today. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.